Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. I am here in the true story Entering the Door to Hell, Unit 1, Section 2 of English course. Now I will read from page number 22. More than 50% already I read out the story. Now we'll start from here. Entering the door to hell. Even after a few days of preparing, Cornish says the idea of an actual descent into the door to hell was nerve-wracking. I can tell you, when you are standing on the edge of this gigantic crater filled with fire, it is intimidating, he says. Still, the adventurer did descend into the fiery hole. It was not dark at all. Cornish says of the crater's interior, as a matter of fact, you are surrounded by flames, so everything has this orange hue. Once on the floor of the pit, Cornish embarked on the scientific core of the expedition. The most important part of the mission and the whole thrust behind this entire expedition was to take some samples of the soil at the bottom, sand basically, and see if there is any extremophile bacteria living at the bottom that could give us clues to basically life in these extreme environments. Cornish says there are planets that have been discovered outside of our solar system that have a very hot, methane-rich environment, kind of similar to what is in the crater. So, in essence, we were looking for alien life right here on Earth. It is very volatile place. Cornish says of the door to hell. To give you an example of his volatile, at one point I knelt down on the ground and I am digging in the sand to try and gather some samples from a little below the surface, and as I am digging with a small hand shovel, fire is coming out of the hole that I am digging. I just opened up a new vent as I am digging down there. The soil samples were given to Dr. Stephen Green, the microbiologist on the expedition. Green says that a few kinds of bacteria were discovered in the soil from the crater floor. These extremophiles appear to be what Green calls enriched by the door to hell's high temperature and low nutrient levels, among other things. Along with this discovery of unexpected life in one of the Earth's most inhospitable places, the door to hell has an out of this world tinge to it according to Cornish. The orange glow from the flames makes the ground completely orange and the walls of the crater look orange. He says, it really reminds me of being on a place like Mars where you have that orange or red soil. It's just an other earthly feel. They are written by Stuart Thornton. It is the real story. Already I told that it is the place near the Darwaje village area. Darwaje area, the village is Darwaja. It is the center of the desert. When I am explaining in the chapter, there I will already explain. The desert name is already there. Though I want to tell this rich natural gas, it is enriched with methane gas. That's why the geologist sorted out the plan to make it burn. Otherwise, the methane will be mixed up with the atmosphere. Then the oxygen will be less in that area. To avoid poisonous gas discharge, it was decided to burn off. While the geologist had hoped that in one fine morning that fire shall be over, but gas is still burning, ongoing from 1971, now 2020. You can imagine. And the country is that Turkmenistan. Remember it. And when I get some valuable video and valuable pictures, except whatever the pictures in this book, I will try to upload for you so that you can understand what is full body harness, what is safety belt and everything. I will try to upload the picture within short period before completion of this story.